function equation where HC, you're accustomed to see fx, the same thing. HC, H is a function of C. Um, that's equal to C minus 5. But your C minus 5, your C is this J plus 5. C is J plus 5. So when you substitute J plus 5 in the equation for C, you're going to substitute it right there. So it will be J plus 5 minus 5. So that will be just J. Okay? That will be just J. Let's look at the other one. So G function T, or function T, is equal to 5 minus T. But your T is 6U. T is 6U. So when you substitute 6U for T here, you're going to get 5 times 6, which is 30. And you're going to get 30. So you're going to get 30 because T is equal to 6U. So you're going to get 30U. 30U minus 2. So it's going to be 30U minus 2. All you're doing, you're substituting the value for T right there. And T is 6U. So it will be 5 times 6U, which is 30U minus 2. Are you following? You follow that?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Good. All right. So Fy is equal to minus 7y. Okay? So if your y is now, so the function y is equal to 7y. If your y is x plus 6, so you're going to have, so what you're going to have right there, so for y you're going to substitute that. So you're going to have, so that's going to be minus 7 into, because y is x plus 6. X, okay, it's a serious x. X plus 6. So you're going to get minus 7x. So you're going to get minus 7x. And then 6, 7 is 42. You're going to get minus 42. So when you simplify this, you're going to get minus 7x. So minus 7x. Sorry, let's get that. So minus 7x. And then 6, 7, 42 minus 42. All you're doing for y, you're substituting x plus 6. Okay? Where did square come from? Damn. There's no square. Okay. So I don't know where that square came from. But okay, so you see it's minus 7x minus 42. Okay? Because this is so that is it. I don't know where this, there's a little minus 2. Let me eliminate that. I don't know where this thing come from. Anyway, whatever. All right, let's look at this one. So function of c is equal to minus 7c minus 6. But your c is actually m minus 3. C is m minus 3. So if you're going to simplify this, let's do that. So you're going to get your minus 7 C, but your C is actually m minus 3. So that is m minus 3, and you're gonna get so you're gonna put that in bracket, and then you're gonna minus 6. Okay, so you're gonna get minus 7m, and then 3 7s 21 plus 21. So you're gonna get there minus 7m plus 21, and you're gonna minus 6. So plus 21 minus 6, that is plus 15. So you're going to get plus 15, plus 15. Okay? So you follow that? Because your C is m minus 3. So wherever you have C, you substitute m minus 3. And you have to multiply by minus 7. So this becomes minus 7m. 3 7s 21, but when you multiply a negative and a negative, you get a positive sign. So it will be plus 21, but you have minus 6. Plus 21 minus 6 is plus 15. Okay? All right. Use the following function rule to find g into z minus 4. Simplify your answer. This is the function rule. gd is equal to minus 9d plus 8. But your d is z minus 4. Okay? So you're going to have minus 9 times d, but your d is z minus 4, so you have z, that's a big Z, z minus 4, let's go big 4 to match that, plus 8. So you're going to have 9 times z, you're going to get minus 9z. You get 4 9s is 36, so you're going to get positive 36 because minus times minus. So that's positive 36 plus 8, that is 44, right? So you're going to get, so your answer is going to be minus 9z plus, we say 36 plus 8, that's 44. All right, so use the following function rule to find function d plus 10. This is the function rule. F q is equal to 9q minus 10, but q is d plus 10. Q is d plus 10. So when you simplify that, you're going to have 9q, 9 into q, or 9 times q, but your q is d plus 10. So okay, so 9 into q, q is d plus 10. So d plus 10, put your d. plus 10, and you're minus 10, right? Minus 10. All right, so you're going to get 90. 9 times 10 is 90 minus, so 90 minus 10 is 80. So let's write that into, or, so this is going to be 90, 9D plus 80, because 9 times 10 is 90 minus 10, that's 80. So use the following function rule. So this is the function rule is a formula. You're going to plot something against another thing. Okay? So, when we use function x is really y. You're plotting y against x. All right, so function a is equal to a plus 10. But your a is 10t. So if a is 10t, you just substitute 10t in right here. So a is 10t. So you just substitute your a, which is 10t. And then to complete the function, the function rule, you have to have plus 10. Plus 10. Okay? So it's going to be 10t plus 10. Okay? You just substitute it there. All right. So thank you for the okay. So if x is 5, the y is 1, okay? All right. Substitute that. Okay. So you're going to complete the table and you're given the formula. This is a formula for a graph. Fx is nothing more than y, and y is equal to x plus 2. This is a graph. So if you have multiple points, you can create the graph. You can draw the graph. So if x is equal to 2, you just plug it in. Fx is equal to 4. If x is 4, you plug it in. So let's call fxy. So y is equal to x plus 2, x is 4, so it's 4 plus 2, which is 6. Fx equal to x plus 2, x is 6, that's 8. And then this one, x is 8, so you plug it in, 8 and 2 is 10. The same thing. This is the equation that defines the graph. Fx is equal to x minus 1. You're given the x value, you plug it in the equation, and you get fx or y. So if x is 6, fx is 5. X is 7, fx is 6. It's 8, 7, 9, 8. If you were to plot fx against x minus 1, you're going to see that it's going to be a straight line. So this will be a straight line. Okay? So this is the equation that defines the graph. Fx is equal to x plus 7. X are these values. So if x is 0, fx is 7. If x is 1, that's 8. X is 2, fx is 9. 3, fx is 10. Now, this is the formula that tell you how fx varies with x. Fx varies with x, 3x minus 8. If x is 2, so you're going to get 3, 2, 6. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Then this would be, if x is 3, 3, 3 is 9. 9 minus 8, that's 1. If x is 4, 3, 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is, 12 minus 8 is 4. And then if x is 5, 3 times 5, 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So fx gonna vary with x using this formula or the equation, okay? All right, and then this one, okay, fx, or if you want to call it y, is equal to x minus 9. If x is 0, then fx is minus 9. Okay, if x is 5, then this is 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Then if x is 10, 10 minus 9 is 1. If x is 15, 15 minus 9 is 6. And if you plot these points on the graph, you get the graph. You get the graph. So all you have to do is plot the points on the graph, and similarly. So do you understand function, how to use function, how to put function, graphically represent a function, and see how one variable vary with the next? Wake up.